Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing the very much requested vanity organizational video. I was going to clear off my counter before filming this because technically my counter isn't part of my vanity, but I decided, this is real life. Like, my counter doesn't stay clean all the time. But to get started, I'm actually going to clean my brushes because cleaning brushes just takes a very long time. So I just feel like that was just the best place to start. So I borrowed my sister's Sigma brush cleaner, which is actually really nice. And I'm just using Zote soap to clean up my brushes.
Can I get your number, baby? Give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours?
This was starting to take a long time, so I decided to group some of my eye brushes together, and this was a game changer because the time is going by a lot faster than before.
Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you. Please stay on the line so I don't waste more time. Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? If you give me it, promise I won't bother. Let it secret till like I don't know it. Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number?
1 hour later, we are finally done cleaning these brushes, and we're now moving on to clearing off my makeup table. I'm going to start off with this area and work my way down. Instead of just removing all of my makeup out of my drawers and then organizing it, I decided to remove it section by section. I knew that just removing everything would overwhelm me and make me feel like I was never going to finish. So this is definitely a method that I think is pretty good.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
There's so many things that I should just give away or give up, but I'm just not quite ready to. Like my eye glitters. I do not put glitter on my eye, but for some reason I think that sometime in the near future I'm going to use my eye glitters, but most likely I'm not. So I'm going to give myself like 3 months to use the glitters, and if not, I'm just going to give them away.
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
I used to be super obsessed with trying to keep my lip display super organized and like only have like one brand, but now like I don't really care too much. Most of the lip glosses are Kylie, but before I wouldn't have put the NYX glosses at the end there, but it's the most practical for me. I love those NYX glosses as much as I love the Kylie ones. So actually I use them more than the Kylie ones now. I don't really use the Kylie ones like I did when I first got them. I'm trying to keep it like obviously aesthetically pleasing, but I also want it to be practical for everyday life.
Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh,
I am never fully happy with the way I organize my powders. I try to make it aesthetically pleasing, but since I have so many minis and other stuff, it just never quite looks the way I want it to. So I'm currently trying to work on making it look better.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of some foundation because I don't really know when foundations expire. I think maybe after a year. I think that's like standard. But a lot of these like little foundations like I don't use. I'm gonna give them away if they're still usable, but if not, I'm just gonna throw them out.
Asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah.
The biggest challenge whenever I am done like organizing my vanity is figuring out where I'm going to put my false eyelashes. As you can see, like I just have a drawer, so it's kind of hard to fit things in there. I mean, I could expand, but I try to keep like my makeup to the bare minimum. Like I don't want too much makeup at this point in my life. Maybe in the future I will, want to expand, but right now like what I can fit in this drawer is fine for me. But my lashes are just the biggest issue. I'm thinking about maybe getting a lash book. I think Morphe sells one. Correct me if I'm wrong. Does Morphe sell one? I feel like I saw it at the Morphe store once. But I'm gonna try and put all my lashes in there and just kind of label like the style and the brand just to kind of keep it organized and see how that works out for me, because having my lashes all these random places is just not convenient.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
And yeah, yeah, we're finally done. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you get notified every single time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about